All right, hey everyone, Zach with Exterior Recovery here. We're back with another exterior remodel. This one's getting all new vinyl siding on the entire home and all new soffit, fascia, and gutters, so stay tuned. All right, so as you can see, a lot of this siding is all rotting by the windows here. You can tell that water's been coming in under the siding, so it could be rotting underneath. So it's good to get all this taken care of, and then the home will be good for the next, 30 to 50 years. All right, hey everyone, Zach with Exterior Recovery, back at this job. It's all finished, and as you can see, we got the vinyl siding, and then we did metal wrapping on all the wood posts. All right, so you remember this wall, I know. This one was really rotten, and so we took everything off, replaced the rotted sheeting with OSB plywood, and then put up a moisture barrier so no water can get through to the home. Now it's all sealed up, protected, and ready to last another 30 years. So the great thing about this vinyl siding is you never have to paint it or do any maintenance. The only thing it requires is power washing once every few years. If you're looking to remodel the exterior of your house, let us know.